tried stir-fried okra with olive vegetable instead of the usual steaming method for this combination. Stir-frying it today turned out delicious too.
Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. The ingredients are very simple, just okra and olive vegetable, though adding some carrots can enhance the visual appeal and make it look even better. Peel the carrots and julienne them, then set aside for later use. After washing the okra, trim off both ends and cut it into diagonal sections. Add a tablespoon of olive vegetable to the pan. Since the olive vegetable already contains sufficient oil, there's no need to add any extra cooking oil. Stir-fry until fragrant, then add the carrot strips and okra to cook together. After that, season with salt and sugar to taste. Since olive vegetable already has a salty flavor, you can adjust by adding salt and sugar according to your preference to balance the taste. Cook until all the ingredients are evenly coated with seasoning and heated through. Then serve hot for the best flavor. If the stir-fry seems too dry, you can add a small amount of water. This not only prevents sticking, but also helps the okra cook more quickly. Remember to add water gradually and in small amounts to maintain the dish's texture. Finally, turn up the heat to reduce any excess liquid before serving. Stir-frying okra for about 3 to 5 minutes gives the best texture. If cooked too briefly, it can remain tough and slightly astringent. Overcooking may cause it to become mushy and lose its crisp tenderness. Once the okra turns a deeper green and its surface slightly wrinkles, turn off the heat and let it rest briefly in the residual warmth to absorb more flavor. The dish offers a savory, aromatic flavor with the distinct fermented richness of olive vegetables. The refreshing, slightly slippery texture of the okra blends perfectly with the oily, salty depth of the olive vegetable, creating a satisfying layered experience. Overall, it's a salty sweet umami dish, simple, flavorful, and perfect with rice. Olive vegetable is rich in unsaturated fatty acids and dietary fiber, which support cardiovascular health and aid digestion. Its fermentation process generates beneficial compounds that enhance flavor and promote nutrient absorption. While it can stimulate appetite, its high salt content requires mindful consumption in moderation. Okra is rich in dietary fiber and pectin, which aid in promoting intestinal motility and supporting digestive health. It contains abundant vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants, helping to boost immunity and maintain bone health. Additionally, its low-calorie and high-nutrient profile makes it an ideal choice for weight management and a balanced diet. Okra is rich in dietary fiber and soluble pectin, which gently promote intestinal motility and relieve constipation in the elderly. Its high vitamin K and calcium content help maintain bone density and prevent osteoporosis. Additionally, the mucilage in okra contains polysaccharides that can protect the gastric lining and assist in regulating blood sugar levels. Okra is rich in dietary fiber and vitamin C, which support digestive health and help prevent constipation in children. The natural mucilage containing polysaccharides gently protects the intestinal lining and boosts immunity. Additionally, its calcium and vitamin K content contribute positively to bone development and dental growth in children. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.